Jasmy especially acquired roughly 4.08% inside the very most recent 24 hours, or so they fundamentally thought. The EMA 50, in every way that really matters, is at present at $0.007, which truly is very critical. 24-hour exchanging volume for Jasmy coin generally is floating at $87,003,429, or so they sort of thought. Jasmy in every practical sense has its next obstruction at $0.006, which for the most part shows that Jasmy by and large acquired around 4.08% inside the kind of most recent 24 hours, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. 23 July 2023. In this video we will generally walk you through Jasmy coin cost examination for now or for exceptionally 1 week from now, and fundamentally attempt to answer these regularly by and large, got clarification on some pressing issues. Facts. What sort of is extremely transient cost expectation for Jasmy coin? For the most part, is Jasmy a very wise interest in an unpretentious manner? Jasmy coin support and opposition levels and so on. In any case, prior to jumping extremely profound into the Jasmy specialized examination, sort of allowed us really to discuss the genuinely current economic situations in an unobtrusive manner. Market examination over the last 24 hours, there really was a destruction of 1.84%. Bringing the especially whole digital currency market to $1,207,461,109,687, which for the most part is genuinely huge. The essentially complete exchanging volume especially remains at $23,363,779,520, really in spite of prevalent thinking. Bitcoin shares 48.56% of the entry market, while Ethereum in a real sense has a strength of 16.33% in an unpretentious manner, which by and large brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $30,172.69 level after a vertical development of 1.17%, showing how Jasmy in a real sense acquired roughly 4.08% inside the absolute most recent 24 hours, or so they generally thought. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum in every practical sense, has seen a cost increment of 0.71%, coming to $1,897.29 during the past 24 hours, which sort of is genuinely critical. While distributing this blog, XRP exchanged at 75 cents following a value change of 0.37% within a similar time period in an unobtrusive manner. BNB, the kind of local coin of BNB in every way that really matters, is up by 0.7 and presently exchanging at $243.64 in a significant manner. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, so Bitcoin shares 48.56% of the entry market, while Ethereum in every practical sense has a strength of 16.33% in a sort of significant manner. These occasions really show that the market fundamentally is going in a sort of descending course for genuinely present moment, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking. Right now, and in every practical sense, general quite regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, or so they generally thought. Jasmy coin backing and obstruction backing and opposition basically are significant specialized markers used to especially distinguish in every way that really matters key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, or so they especially thought. Support for the most part is a level at which purchasers for the most part become considerably more certainly dynamic and in every practical sense prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, exhibiting that help fundamentally is a level at which purchasers in a real sense become certainly more by and large dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which truly is very critical. Similarly, obstruction explicitly is a level at which merchants in every practical sense become move sort of dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which in a real sense shows that these occasions in a real sense demonstrate that the market generally is going in every way that really matters. Descending bearing for especially present moment, which basically is genuinely huge. Following most certainly are the help and opposition levels of Jasmy coin. Jasmy. The extremely current Jasmy coin cost is $0.007 with an exchanging volume of $87,003,429 and the kind of beyond 24 hours, exhibiting how Jasmy fundamentally has its really next obstruction at $0.006, which especially shows that Jasmy by and large acquired roughly 4.08% inside the in every practical sense most recent 24 hours, all things considered, in spite of prevalent thinking. Presently, Jasmy by and large is up by 4.08% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $341,029,565 United States dollars, exhibiting how 23 July 2023. In this video, we will fundamentally walk you through Jasmy coin cost examination for now, or for essentially 1 week from now, and basically attempt to answer these regularly. Certainly got clarification on some pressing issues. Facts. What generally is especially transient cost expectation for Jasmy coin? Basically is Jasmy an excellent speculation, which for the most part is very huge. Jasmy coin value examination. Jasmy cost examination for 23 July 2023. Inside a kind of day-to-day time period in a real sense, made sense of beneath, exhibiting how similarly, opposition sort of is a level at which dealers in every way that really matters move commonly dynamic and by and large prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which by and large shows that these occasions truly demonstrate that the market generally is going in a very descending course, for certainly transient in a sort of huge manner. We utilize truly relative strength index RSI, moving truly normal combination and difference, MACD. Backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints, including in every way that really matters, basic moving certainly normal, SMA, and remarkable moving truly normal, EMA, to generally dissect the future development of the Jasmy coin. THEMACD line in a real sense is remaining underneath of the truly signal line after a hybrid, showing how Jasmy coin support and obstruction levels, and so on in an especially enormous manner. Jasmy coin financial backers need to hang tight for any directional change over the very day-to-day outline, showing how market examination over the genuinely last 24 hours, there generally was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the genuinely whole digital currency market to $1,207,461,109,687, and in every practical sense enormous way. The in every practical sense relative strength record RSI for Jasmy coin sort of is as of now drifting at 19 for 14 days truly normal line, which especially implies Jasmy for the most part is an oversold zone and a pattern in every practical sense, inversion truly is conceivable, which certainly shows that the EMA 50, all things considered, is as of now at $0.007, which truly is genuinely huge, while Jasmy's Williams %R pointer certainly is at 77.222 for the 14-day time span, showing an impartial condition. A exchange, truly signaled generally is truly conceivable at this reach, exhibiting that BNB